Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to check matric results online. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Before getting started, let me tell you that the steps on checking matric results online depends on the region where your educational institute is located. To check your matric results online, you can go ahead and open up a web browser. There are several websites from where you can view your matric results. To check your matric results, go to the search box and type in matric results, and you can also type in the year and press enter. Now you'll be able to find several websites from where you can check your results. Simply go ahead and select any one. I'm going to choose this link, which will take me to news24.com. You can scroll all the way down until you find this option over here. Go ahead and type in your examination number in the text box and then click on the search button. Enter the necessary information as it asks you throughout the process, and you'll be able to check your matric results with this website called www.news24.com. There are other websites as well. You can simply go ahead and type in this matric result in the search box and you'll be provided with several websites and links that will take you to your matric results page. That is how it can be done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.